Hi there, here we are with our patient Adrian. Adrian's here for a 3-day follow-up post-op visit. We did his surgery on Friday and today is Monday. How was your weekend? How did everything go?
Great, amazing, yeah, really amazing.
Did you have any pain over the weekend?
Nothing.
No pain?
No pain.
I don't see any swelling?
You see?
Nothing. So you've been just resting, taking it easy, letting...
All the time rest.
Okay.
Very
excellent.
important.
Excellent. I'm going to just kind of show the camera its suture line. So when we do that max harvest plus hair transplant procedure, we take them the entire way around. As you can see how nice and clean that looks. We did his entire head from front to back, where we grafted the entire area. Huge case. I mean, you can just see the size of his bald area was enormous. And so what we did is we went through and just completely took him from front to back and filled them in. He had a previous FUE where you could almost see the little holes from his previous surgery. And I still to this day can't understand why anybody's doing the FUE because you can't get any hair. We're able to get so much more hair from that strip, and once this heals, this will be undetectable. The hair is going to cover up on top. You'll never be able to see it. And everyone's talking about the FUE, how great it is if you shave your head. Well, it's not great. You can just see all the little holes. So I don't see the benefit of doing it when you get so little hair. So at 3 days, if you look at, and I'm just going to kind of tuck your chin down a little bit, you can see the entire area was filled from front to back. With an FUE, he might have only got, the very one little section, but instead we were able to cover the entire top. How did this experience compare to the FUE?
Wow, my experience super different. The FUE, for me, not resolved. My area is huge. The FUE, not resolved. You have density, tissue, suture, 100%.
So what he's saying is you get much more hair from a linear suture line versus an FUE. And he said he had very little to no results from his FUE procedure. And on top of that, they destroyed his donor. Josh, anything you'd like to add to that?
You mentioned 80 centimeters squared of tissue was taken.
Yes.
How many hairs does that translate to?
About 16,000 hairs.
16,000 hairs.
Wow.
And what's the top capability for an FUE doctor to get? If they stay in the donor.
It took him 2 days to get 3,000 hairs.
And how many grew of his 3,000?
Probably 1,500.
1,500 hairs versus 16.
1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. And 5 hours versus 2 days.
Yeah.
So that's what we see. And it just doesn't make sense why people are doing that FUE to this day. I don't get it.
My face is different right now. It's up. Yeah.
You know what's going to happen.
Wow.
And you've seen it a million times working with Dr. Bolton.
Yeah. Doctor, I appreciate it all the time, all my life.
Congratulations, buddy.
So there's a guy on the front lines, Adrian, working every day with Dr. Bolton, who we almost had the feeling didn't care too much about whether he had hair or not until he started seeing all the results of all the difficult patients coming in with incredible results. Why wouldn't he want that too for himself? So we're really looking forward to seeing a great result very shortly.